Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'll be doing a review for the Zhiyun Smooth-Q 3-axis smartphone stabilizers starting right now. If you are someone new to our channel, please consider subscribing to our channel as we do regular tech reviews like this one, smartphones and smartwatch reviews, designing tutorials and much more. Also check out our playlist tab to find curated playlist for various content we post on this channel. First of all, let me start by explaining you what is a gimbal. Basically, a gimbal is a pivoted support that allows the rotation of an object about a single axis. If that does not make sense, in layman terms, just have a look at this motorized electronic steady spoon where no matter how hard you shake your hand, the food is not going to spill, and that's because it has a motorized multi-axis gimbal which does not allow the food to spill. And today I'll be reviewing such a device for smartphone stabilization, especially for super steady video recording stabilization. Just so you guys know, this is not a sponsored video, it's my honest opinion about this 3-axis smartphone gimbal. I got it from Amazon for about $80, which for the fact is the cheapest available quality gimbal for smartphones, and since I'm a Prime member, it was delivered in just 2 days. Speaking of Prime, if you guys haven't tried Prime, check the link out to try Prime for 30 days at no cost in the description of this video, where you'll also find the link to purchase this particular gimbal. Starting with unboxing, it came in this compact box which included a user guide, charging cable, my personal favorite, a nice case with plastic on outside and foam on inside with an all-around zipper. It also came with a carry strap if you were to carry it on your shoulder outside, which is really handy. So the unboxing experience, in my opinion, is premium for its price point. So this is the Zhiyun Smooth-Q 3-axis smartphone gimbal. It has a tripod mount at the bottom in case if you were to keep it somewhere steady, especially for time-lapse video recording. Starting off with the build quality, it's all metal and the handle is plastic, but it all looks just premium. It has two ports. This is a micro USB charging port where you can power up this gimbal. This gimbal has two 18650 lithium ion battery with enough juice to power it up for 12 hours. And you can also charge up your smartphones for seamless video recording via this USB port at the bottom. In terms of weight, it's fairly lightweight to handle and weighs only 15.5 ounces. The grip is smooth. I wish there were stripes or textured surface for better grip, but for me it works fine. It's pretty easy to attach the smartphone. You can pull the handles apart as it's a spring-loaded mechanism. There is a nice padding at the back and on the handles with a nice groove to hold the smartphone up pretty tight. There is also padding at the roll motor to attach the end part of the phone. In terms of control, this is the power button. Hold 3 seconds to power it up, and it also triggers video recording if you are using the Zhiyun app on your smartphone. Keep in mind it will not trigger video recording with the default camera app of your phone. The button above it is for various modes. Once you start the first mode is where only the roll feature works. And then the second mode is where you have full control for pan and roll. And then the third mode is for face tracking where you have tilt control. Keep in mind, to let these modes come in play, you have to be using the Zhiyun Q mobile app. Now the switch beside it is for the zoom in and zoom out. Again, this will only work with the Zhiyun Q mobile app, and it's smartphone specific as well. So if your phone does not support optical zoom, this will not be available. And lastly, the joystick knob for changing the roll or pan. As you saw earlier, one thing I would say is it does take practice to get used to the joystick, as the faster you drag, the faster it will roll or pan, and then the slower you go, the smoother will be the roll or pan. In terms of specs, this has the pan axis of 360 degrees, and tilt as well as roll is of 320 degrees, which to me is sufficient. You can record both in landscape or portrait mode. To switch between them, there is a knob at the back with which you can adjust. This knob on the tilt axis is for weight control, so if you have a case on, you can slide the tilt handle outwards to counterbalance. Smooth-Q has the 5th generation honeycomb processor, which makes the torque motor more powerful, which eliminates the need of counterweights with larger load. I was easily able to use my S10 Plus with the full body metal case on. With the app ZY Play, available on Android or iOS App Store, you can follow faces and objects automatically, support panoramic and time-lapse mode, and quick focus adjustment. I'm not going to review the ZY Play app in this video to avoid making this video too long. Subscribe so you don't miss it, as I will be uploading it shortly. I will also be comparing the video stability with Zhiyun Smooth-Q and the Samsung's S10 Plus Super Steady mode, so stay tuned by subscribing. You can also check out the video I did for S10 Super Steady mode, linked up here once you're done watching this one. And lastly, I will end this video with a sample of video recorded on my S10 Plus with and without the Zhiyun Smooth-Q gimbal, so you can see the video stabilization quality. So to wrap it all up, this is definitely a worth gimbal to purchase, and for the price you pay, I think this is perfect for beginners to own. There are expensive gimbals on market, but hey, for beginners and regular users, this is more than enough. The only thing I wish it can be better is if the tilt motor were a bit more powerful to avoid tilt shakes, which you probably saw in the video sample above, which are barely noticeable. I personally use this gimbal for all the super steady B-rolls I put in my video. So I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, and maybe give it a thumbs up anyways as an appreciation to our effort for making this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos, and take care. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.